I did a video a few months ago. Actually, it was over a year ago. Where I kind of went on a rant about backup cameras and trailer assist. And I kind of flipped out. And I got a lot of guys mad. They're like, but I have a single place trailer and I have a lifted F250 and I can't even see the jet ski behind me and I need to have it. I don't care. When I first saw that Mercedes-Benz or BMW had parallel parking assist, I started grinding my teeth to the point I could hear it. I was like, oh my gosh, you're keeping people from learning a skill. You're removing the challenge, and so now you're making a inferior driver. That's what I felt about the parallel parking features that I'm seeing on modern luxury cars. All right, you literally put your hands up, the car goes whoop, whoop, might as well open the door and have the seat tilt and roll your fat ass out of the car. Oh, thank you. Okay. I mean, it was just ridiculous. And in the same thread, with a lot of people with larger full-size trucks and have these really nice backup features where the truck will literally align the trailer using the cameras and it'll squirrely wiggle wag all you know back into a spot and it'll do it for you. I've seen them. I've seen these guys. They don't have to do anything. They put their hand up. They put the car in reverse. They hit the button. Boop, 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 boop. And it backs the truck up. And it'll damn near launch the ski for you. Well, my problem with that is I have been on rides where someone stands there and says, hey, can someone back me in? And it's not, hey, I'm going to sit on my ski so I can launch. It's, I can't back my car down the ramp. I am physically unable to back my own car down this launch ramp. I either do not have the visibility in my automobile, which means I picked the wrong car. It either means I cannot operate using my mirrors to back the car up and the trailer up. They've chosen not to take the time to go to an empty parking lot for 30 minutes and learn how to back their trailer into a spot. They've chosen not to do it. They've made that decision. It's a conscientious decision. I don't need to do that. I'll rely on someone else for me. Now, do I need multiple times to back a trailer in? Depends on the launch ramp. Depends on the approach. Even in my own truck that I've had since 2005, my old beater outside that's beat to hell, looks like a golf ball. There's not one straight square foot of that damn truck. And I'll tell you what, sometimes I'm like, oh, dude, there's no room. I can't get the trailer straight. So I'm sitting there going, woo, and get it in. And sometimes the trailer is cocked a little bit. Okay, fine. Guess what? I'm still doing it. I still use my mirrors, little fisheye lenses on my mirrors, and I back it in. Or if I'm in another car that's unfamiliar, put your arm on the backrest, do the one-handed, and pretend you're your dad, and back it in going like this. Okay, fine. Sometimes. But guys, it's a skill. Most men like to learn and acquire skills. They want to add that to their toolbox. They want to go, I know how to do that. So that in the future, when people are watching or if someone else needs help, it's a skill. And you go, I have that on my tool belt. I can do that. And all of us are at different levels, dude. All of us are at different levels. I've met men who are 40 years old who've never changed a tire. But they go, hey, man, can you tell me how to change a tire? No, don't be embarrassed. I'll help you out. I'll happily do it. But if you come to me and go, can you change my tire for me? I'll hit you with the tire iron. Okay? But if you say, hey, man, I've never done it before. I didn't have a dad, or I grew up in New York and I got my driver's license at 30, whatever. I've met people like that who are like, I never got a driver's license. We never had a car. So, okay, I understand that. That's fine. I won't judge you for that. I might bust your balls a little bit, but I just sit there and I'm like, I have no problem with anyone. You could be 65 years old and go, hey, can you help me out? Not a problem. But if you say, back my car down the launch ramp, I'll be like, I'll help you. I'll guide you down, but I want you driving your car down because I want you to learn how to do it. All right? Does that make me a bad guy because I'm not doing it for you? I don't think so. Do a lot of people who are like, dude, I don't know what your problem is. Why don't you just help him? I am helping him. I'm teaching him how to launch his trailer or launch his ski. Excuse me. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.